What if you got this letter in the mail from the IRS and basically wanted to sell your home? That's the question of the day. Can you sell your home if there is a tax lien on it? And the short answer is yes, but it's not always simple. In this video, I break down what a tax lien is, how it impacts selling your home, and the steps you can take to navigate the process successfully. And if this topic resonates with you, make sure you go check out my book, 21 Tax Topics to Stay Compliant and Save Money, available on Amazon.com. It includes an entire chapter on liens and navigating the process. You can also get a copy by visiting my website, www.getmytaxbook.com. So let's dive in, guys. What is a tax lien? Let's clarify what a tax lien is. And basically, a tax lien is a legal claim placed on your property against you when you owe unpaid taxes, like federal income tax, state income tax, property taxes, and so forth. The local government uses the lien as security to ensure they get paid. This means if you're trying to sell your home, the lien must be resolved before the sale is finalized. Can you sell a home with a tax lien? That's the big question, right? So you can sell your home with a tax lien, but here's the catch. The tax lien attaches to the property, the title that is, which complicates the sales process. A buyer who will want to have a clear and free title, meaning no outstanding claims against the property before purchasing. That makes sense. They will not purchase your home unless they know that it's free and clear. That's why the lien must be addressed in one of three main ways. Paying off the lien in full, that's number one, before closing. Number two, using the proceeds from the sale to settle the lien at closing. And number three, negotiating with the IRS or taxing authority to remove or reduce the lien, also known as a discharge. Here's what you need to do if you're selling a home with a tax lien. Step one, confirm the lien amount. You need to know what's required as a payoff from the IRS or state or local government to know exactly how much you need to pay to get rid of that lien. Step two, work with a real estate agent and a tax pro like myself. Hire professionals who understand the tax lien process, who can help you navigate the sale and ensure you're complying with all requirements to get the lien removed. Number three, contact the IRS or tax authority. You can request a certificate of discharge from the IRS. This releases the property from the lien even if you haven't paid the debt in full, so you can proceed with the sale. Number four, negotiate payment from the sale or from the sale proceeds. If there's enough equity in your home, the lien can often be paid off directly from the sale proceeds at closing. So essentially the IRS is at the table, or their representative is at the table, at the closing table, so when the deal closes, they get paid. This clears the title for the buyer. What if you don't have enough equity? What if you don't have enough equity to pay off the loan? You still have options. You can negotiate a settlement with the IRS or state. Sometimes they'll accept a partial payment and release the lien. Alternatively, you might need to consider other assets or financing to resolve the debt before selling. In fact, I have a client right now that's going through this situation where they owe $1 million to the state of New York, which they cannot pay, obviously. It's kind of like a complicated story, but they can't pay it, and we have to negotiate with the state of New York to get this removed. Now, why is it important to act quickly? Remember, ignoring a tax lien can make things worse. The IRS and our state can escalate their actions, including foreclosing on your property. Now, if it's your primary residence, it's a little bit complex for them to do that, but it can happen. It doesn't happen very often, but it can. If you're planning to sell, addressing the lien sooner rather than later is key to protecting your home and moving forward. Well, so yes, again, you can sell your home with a tax lien, but it requires some planning and action. Work with the right professionals, i.e. me, contact the IRS, and explore your options to resolve the lien. Don't forget to check out my book, 21 Tax Topics to Stay Compliant and Save Money, for a deep dive into liens and other topics in the resolution realm. It's available at Amazon.com or at www.getmytaxbook.com. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips and tricks, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.